With Zscaler, as long as you've got internet, you're good to go. A big part of the reason that we moved to a consolidated solution away from SD WAN and VPN is to eliminate that lateral opportunity that people had and that opportunity for misdirection or open access to the network. It also was an opportunity for us to maintain and provide our remote users with a cafe-style environment. As we were able to replace our Cato SD-WAN with Zscaler, we found the opportunity for multiple improvements for experience. Expanding and deploying Zscaler allowed us to take advantage of the full potential of each of these connections that were on site, and again, making it easier and more fluent for our users to be able to just function and work instead of focusing on which VPN and which connection to be on. So by moving to Zscaler and their solution, we were able to negotiate our cybersecurity insurance rates down almost 50% while doubling our coverage, and also providing a very clear list of all the controls that we have in place now.